Hi my lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda. Today guys, I have a Poundland haul for you, another Poundland haul. So I've been into Poundland this morning guys, just to pick up a few essentials, and I was surprised that my local store still had a few Christmassy bits on shelves. You know, I was quite surprised at that because I haven't actually been to Poundland for ages. So there was a couple of items, like Christmassy items, that I'm still after, and I was happy to pick those up today in my local Poundland. So I've got a mixed bag of items to show you in today's haul from Poundland. I've got some DIY items, I've got a few Christmassy bits like I mentioned before, I've got a couple of cleaning products, and I've also got a few stocking fillers as well, a couple of stocking filler items as well from Poundland. So if you'd like to see what I have in this bag, please keep watching. So I'm going to jump straight into today's video because I have got quite a few videos to film today. I'm doing a bit of batch filming, so today is the first one for the Poundland. There are going to be a few more Poundland videos coming up on my channel leading up to Christmas. I was thinking to do like 5 days of Poundland, all consecutive like videos. I decided that I'm going to split them up. So there's going to be a Poundland video like every week leading up to Christmas, or I might just do it back to back. I'm not even sure yet, but I do have a fair bit of Poundland content to bring to you. Okay, so if you are new, I'd love for you to stick around and hit the subscribe button. I post weekly videos, lots of Christmas content at the moment leading up to Christmas, and I'd just like to have you join my YouTube family. Love to have you on board and all that good stuff, and also switch your notification bells on so you'll be the first to know when I post a video. So straight into today's video, I'm going to show you my first item, which are some Christmas cards. Now, do I need Christmas cards? No, I really don't need any more Christmas cards, but I saw these and I couldn't leave them on the shelf because they're just £1 for 10 lovely, simple Christmas cards. Now, I do have Christmas cards from previous years up in the loft in a bag somewhere. I can't find them for the life of me, so I just picked these up. There's 10 Christmas cards in this pack for £1. I really couldn't go wrong. So they've got these designs on them. So you've got that one with a snowflake, and then you've got that one there that says winter wishes. And I just think these are really lovely, simple cards. I'm going to open it. I'm going to open them and just show you them properly, because what I just done there, I just showed you the back of the box. You know, the back of the box where it shows you the two designs. So yeah, so there are two lovely designs, and I've got to say they're really good quality cards, really good quality like card, I would say. You know, it's really lovely, and I just absolutely love the simplicity of the design on these. So you've got that one which is a snowflake, and it's got a snowflake border going around it. Then on the back I've got one little snowflake on the back there as well. Then inside the card you've got the message that says Merry Christmas in a very nice scrolly font, and then with the other one it just says on the front winter wishes, and then inside again you've got Merry Christmas and a snowflake on the back. Absolutely gorgeous cards for £1. Absolutely amazing. Comes with envelopes as well. So I thought I'd get these to give out to like my neighbours, also to give to like the teachers at school, and you know, just some friends that I see like on a regular basis that I don't have to do any postage with, you know, and also you know, for my family, my sisters and, you know, cousins and all of that who I see on a regular basis, I'll give them one of these Christmas cards as well. I just absolutely love them. Gorgeous. Okay, so that's that. So I also picked up, I'm going to show you the Christmassy bits first. I'm just going to pick up things randomly because I'm actually sitting on my beanbag here, and what's happened, I had all the things, all the items around me, and as I sat down, they all just sprawled onto the floor. So I'm just going to pick up things randomly and show you, okay? So the next item I got from Poundland was this gorgeous gift bag. It's got a robin on the front of it, and it's got that lovely holly wreath going around there. And then the tag, guys, is absolutely gorgeous as well. Lovely red berries on there. This came in at £1.50 because it is a kind of larger bag, and it's kind of like a luxury bag, which I can appreciate paying £1.50 for this. This in, you know, like somewhere like TK Maxx can be up to like £4 for one bag, you know. So I think this is absolutely stunning. I might swap out the ribbon, you know me guys. I might swap out the ribbon and put a black ribbon on it or a green ribbon on it. I'm not actually feeling this silver ribbon, but as it stands, it's absolutely gorgeous. Next up, I picked up this mini ceramic house. Yeah, mini ceramic house. Now I picked this up to, I'm still yet to create a little townhouse. I've got my console table on in my hallway that I want to decorate for Christmas with like a little townhouse going on. Not overkill, just like very limited, you know, like the townhouses that I've shown you in hauls. I have dotted some around my living room, but I've still got like quite a few left over, so I thought I can use those to make like a little town on my console table in the hallway upstairs. And this little fella, or this little house, is going to be added to it. So this was £1. It's going to sit very nicely on my console table to create that Christmas town. So that's going to be coming up on the channel very soon. So do make sure your notification bell is switched on so you don't miss out on any of my Christmas content coming up. Okay, guys? So yes, I've just picked up one of those. Okay, so I also picked up one of each of these. I think these are amazing for the price as well. Absolutely fantastic. You know, wait until I tell you the price of these, guys. But first, let me tell you what they are. So these are another way of creating a little townhouse. You know, these are like metal that has been like molded into the townhouse theme, which I just absolutely love. And it's also a tea light holder, so you can put like your little tea light candle there. You can just imagine the glow of the candles glowing through the windows there. Absolutely gorgeous. And these were just £1 each, guys. Okay, so next up, I picked up this set of cozy socks. So you get 2 pairs actually. So you get this one that is just plain grey with like silver speckles on it, and then you've got this one that's got white with grey stars. These are £2 for 2 pairs of cozy socks, and I think again that's absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant stocking filler for under £5. I also picked up these gloves for little Oakley. You get 2 pairs of gloves there for £1, which again is absolutely brilliant. Now I know other stores do the sets for £1, but you don't really get these designs. Now these designs really fit in well with his school uniform, so I picked those up for him. £1 for 2 pairs of gloves, absolutely brilliant. I also picked up some more batteries. So I got a set of AA, and I've also got a set of the AAA ones. Yeah, there's still a pack of 8, guys. They haven't gone down to 6 or anything. Shh. In my last video, I mentioned about these batteries shrinking down in, you know, in quantity, I should say, you know, from 12 to 10 and now 8 in a pack, guys, but they're still £1. So yeah, it's not too bad, I suppose, but yeah. We're getting through a lot of batteries because we have a lot of LED lights around the house. Going to invest in the rechargeable batteries. You know, I think I have got some rechargeable batteries somewhere under my stair cupboard, but I just can't get to them at the moment. But yeah, still 8 in a pack, guys. Still 8 in a pack, and they're still £1. Okay. Now the next item really surprised me, guys. I didn't realise that Poundland sell light bulbs. Now every time I go in there, as you guys know, I go in there quite often. I don't really go to the hardware section where they do all the hardware and all the DIY kind of bits. I've kind of like bypassed that area because we do have quite a lot of like DIY, got a whole bag of DIY stuff in the understairs cupboard of our house. But at the minute I can't get to them. So we've had one light bulb. We got wall lights in our living room, and one of the bulbs blew around, I would say around 3 months ago, and I haven't replaced it only because I didn't know where to get light bulbs from, or affordable light bulbs from. You know, I used to get them from Wilko, and our local Wilko has closed down, and I know the supermarkets do sell light bulbs, but they can be a bit pricey, you know. So when I went into Poundland, I did go to the hardware section because I had to pick up some bits for up and coming DIY. I saw these light bulbs, and they're the perfect light bulbs for my wall lights. And also I was so happy to find them in daylight. So they have these in daylight, and they also have them in the warm white as well. I go for the daylight because I like my wall lights to be quite bright. You know, like I've got them on now. I'm not even using no ring light or anything. I'm relying on my wall lights, you know. So that's a little tip for me. When I started YouTube, I changed a lot of my bulbs in my house to white daylight bulbs rather than the yellow light, just so I can use them while I'm filming. I can go into any room and film without having to like use the ring light. I haven't used my ring light for ages. It's just in the bag collecting dust. All my videos from this year have been just natural daylight, you know. So it has got a little bit dark outside. I came in and it was like all right, and it's just started to rain. It got really, really dark, so I've just put my wall lights on, and I think they're doing a really good job because they are daylight bulbs, you know. So yeah, so these came in, they're the screw-on ones as well, the small screw cap. I'll take one out and show you actually. I've actually put one in the wall light already. So it's these ones here. Okay, it's these ones here. So if you're after these, get down to Poundland, guys. It's free in a pack. Okay, you get free in a pack. They're the ultimate bright ones as well. Free in a pack, and these are £3. So £1 each, guys, for light bulbs. I thought that was really, really good. So I picked up one packet just to see how the light was actually going to look in my wall lights. And I've got to tell you guys, it's absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go back and pick up a couple of more packets of these and just have them stored in my understairs cupboard, you know. So yeah, £3 for a pack of free candle light, and they're 40 watts as well, so quite a good strong light. So whilst I was in the hardware section, I also picked up some of these washable and reusable sanding sponges. This is for an up-and-coming DIY. I have a few like household items that need to be revamped a little bit. They need a little bit of TLC doing to them, you know. So I just picked these up because I think these are absolutely perfect for what I need to use them for. So you get a pack of 4 of these sponges, and these were just £1. Yeah, £1. Absolutely brilliant. And I didn't realise, I mean, they used to, I remember Poundland used to do these many, many years ago, but they weren't washable. Okay, these ones are washable, so you can wash them, use them over and over again. Absolutely amazing, very sustainable as well. I like the concept of these. So I also picked up, when I was in the hardware section, I picked up these snap off blades utility knives. You get 5 in a pack, guys, for £1.50, I think it was. Now I have got a Stanley knife that we tend to use like every now and again. We get like cardboard boxes delivered to the house, but I need to have like my own little set, you know, that I can just get my hands on when I'm doing my DIYs and so on. I always have to go into the understairs cupboard and rummage through like hubby's toolbox and so on. I'm gonna have my own little toolbox with my own little tools in it that I need to access when I'm, you know, when I'm doing a quick DIY, or even when I've had a delivery, you know, a parcel delivered to me and I just want to open the box up really quickly. I can just get my hands on my own little knives and open them up. So yeah, you get a pack of 5, absolutely brilliant, for £1, or is it £1.50? I think it's £1.50, all of those. So I also picked up this roll of self-adhesive vinyl, and it's in the marble effect. Okay, that's also to go with a DIY that I've got coming up on the channel. Again, it's just updating some furniture and updating some items that I have in the house, you know. There's still very much, they've still got a lot of life in them, but they just need a little bit of an update. So I'm going to be using this to do that. This came in at £2 for the roll. It's actually oil proof, waterproof, easy to apply, vinyl resin for better surface and adhesion. And then one roll is 2 meters by 45 centimeters. So that should be more than enough to do my DIY with. Okay, £2 for that. So I also picked up some of these Loaf Tin Liners. Now this is another item that has shrunk down in quantity. I'm sure you used to get 20 in a pack, or maybe 15 in a pack. It's now gone down to 12, guys. You get 12 of these Loaf Tin Liners. And what I've been using these for is for my air fryer. You know, we've just invested in a Ninja air fryer. There'll be a lot of air frying content coming onto the channel because I just absolutely love my air fryer. Since I've got my air fryer, guys, I've had it for about 2 weeks now. Got it in the Black Friday sale. Since we've had it, we haven't used the oven. I'm not even gonna kid you. I'm not kidding you. I know people have said it, but I thought it was just too good to be true. We've got the air fryer, guys, and we haven't used the oven since we've got it. We absolutely love it. You know, it's just so easy to cook in there and to prepare a meal. You know, I just find it so much more exciting than putting on the oven and so on. You know, I feel more healthy with what I'm eating and all that, but I'll leave that for another video, okay? But yeah, the whole point of me talking about the air fryer is that I got these liners because I do use them in the air fryer. They're silicone coated. I don't know if they were silicone coated before. You know, I think they've introduced this silicone coated for the air fryer. So yeah, I've got these, a pack of 12, and these were £1 as well. So going back to the DIY items, I also picked up a whole pack of these anti-skid and scratch pads. You get 5 different styles, and it's 103 pieces in there. Now I've got these because we've got some new sofas. I need to put these under the feet of the sofas, and then also when I do the DIY for the table, I'm going to put these under the feet of. You get a whole pack of these, and these are £1. Next items I picked up are some more stocking fillers. So I picked up this wooden 10-pin bowling set. Okay, and this came in at £2. This is to put into hubby stocking filler, but we're going to be using it as a family, you know, just to like a little family game. That was £2. Tabletop classic 10-pin bowling. Okay, I might open it and just show you guys what it looks like. That's it there, and it comes with the little skittles there as well. Okay, £2 for that. And then I also picked up this ultimate slam dunk game as well. This is like a little basketball game, stocking filler for little Oakley. Now he saw this in Poundland when we went in there like 4 weeks ago, I don't know how long ago. He saw it in Poundland anyway. And yeah, I said I was going to get it for him, so I've got that as a little stocking filler for him, and that was also £2. So I've just opened it and put it together just to show you what it looks like as well. So this is what it looks like here, guys. It comes with 3 balls. Sorry, one of the balls is rolled under the sofa there. You pop the ball onto the little lever thing there, pop it, yeah, and it's supposed to go into one of these. It rolls up down, and then you can count the numbers and like score, you know, score points for the game. So yeah, that was £2. I thought that was absolutely brilliant. The next items I picked up were a couple of cleaning items. Okay, so cleaning products. So I picked up a box of these Ariel washing tablets. This is a pack of, or a box of 28, and this came in at £6.50 in Poundland. Yeah, I do absolutely love this Ariel. It absolutely works great in cold water, like it says on the box as well, and it's got a really nice fragrance to it as well. Okay, so £6.50 for 28 washes. Okay, and then I also picked up my favorite cleaning product of all time, which is the Zesty Lemon Kitchen Cleaner from Astonish. Now, I don't just use this for the kitchen, guys. I use this mainly all over the house. Absolutely love it. So yeah, this is also still £1 in Poundland. So next, I'm just going to show you this very interesting item from Poundland that I picked up today. Now, as I've gone to the till, I've paid for my items, and the assistant handed over this receipt to me, which gives you £2 off when you spend £10 in Poundland, which is very, very good. It's valid from the 2nd of January 2024 right up until the 24th of January 2024. And yeah, I think that's absolutely brilliant, because I go into Poundland quite often. I haven't been quite recently because, you know, guys, I haven't been that great. But now that I'm on my feet again, I'm going to be venturing down to Poundland and grabbing my little bargains. I do absolutely love Poundland for my budget stores, for my cleaning products. It's got to be my favourite, to be fair with you. So yeah, £2 off. So when you go into Poundland anytime now, guys, don't throw away your receipts. Check, you know, because they might not tell you, you know, I don't know. They should tell you, because you're getting £2 off voucher when you spend £10 for more or less for the whole of January. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so it's going to show you on the screen there if it's going to pick up. Is it going to pick up? Yay, it's picking up. Yeah, so £2 off when you spend £10. Okay, and then the last item that I picked up in today's Poundland haul was this bag. Picked up another bag which has lovely little penguins on there. It says chilling with my snowmies. Yay, absolutely gorgeous, and that was £1 as well. Okay guys, so that's my Poundland haul for today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. As per usual, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new for more Christmas content and for more content in general. To say thank you to all my new subscribers. Tomorrow I have another Poundland haul. There's going to be a bit of a different one. Tomorrow I have a collaboration with some lovely YouTuber ladies. We're going to be doing our Poundland Best Buys, like the items that we picked up in Poundland this year that we absolutely love. So do stay tuned for that video. I've got about 8 or 10 items to show you in my Poundland Best Buys tomorrow, so do stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so take care, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around.